Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're comparing the Corsair RM850X and the MSI MAG A850GL, two highly rated 850W power supplies that promise reliability and performance. We'll explore their features, pricing, and what sets them apart in the competitive market of PSUs. Whether you're a gamer or a PC builder, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the Corsair RM850X comes in at $149, while the MSI MAG A850GL is priced more affordably at $119. This significant price difference makes the MSI a compelling option for budget-conscious builders looking for quality without breaking the bank. However, the Corsair's higher price reflects its premium build and reputation in the market. In terms of performance, both power supplies deliver 850W of power and are 80 PLUS Gold certified, ensuring high efficiency. The Corsair RM850X is known for its quiet operation, especially under low loads, thanks to its magnetic levitation fan. In contrast, while the MSI MAG A850GL also performs well, some users report higher fan noise levels, particularly at lower loads. This could be a consideration for those who prioritize a quiet PC environment. When it comes to features, the Corsair RM850X boasts high-quality Japanese capacitors and a fully modular design for clean cable management. It also has a long 10-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A850GL supports the latest PCIe 5.0 standard, making it a great choice for future-proofing your build. Both units are fully modular, but the Corsair's components are generally regarded as higher quality. To wrap up, the Corsair RM850X is a premium choice for those who prioritize quiet operation and high-quality components, while the MSI MAG A850GL offers excellent value for money with its modern features and lower price point. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these power supplies could be the right fit for your PC build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.